You're charged now with 2 counts of second-degree vehicular homicide. Both of those charges are punishable by a maximum 10 years in New Jersey State Prison. Do you understand that those are the charges to bring you before this court, and those are the potential penalties that you face?
Yes, Your Honor.
At today's hearing, you do have certain rights. Among those rights are the right to be present, and you are in fact present here today in the virtual courtroom. You also have a right to be represented by an attorney, and today you're represented by Mr. Dooley. You additionally have a right to remain silent. Keep in mind anything you say here today may be used against you. Note that while Mr. Dooley is your attorney for today's proceeding, he may or may not be the attorney assigned to represent you as your case proceeds through the court system if you are ultimately still represented by the public defender's office. Have you given any thought at all at this time as to whether you want to continue to be represented by the public defender's office or whether you'll be hiring your own attorney?
I'll be hiring my own attorney in the future, Your Honor.
With the holiday, I believe that takes us to next Thursday, September 5th for the detention hearing.
That is correct. So, Mr. Higgins, your detention hearing is going to come back before this court on September the 5th. You'll be brought back to court for a hearing on that day. In the meantime, between now and your court date on Thursday, the state must turn over to your attorney discovery. That's any and all reports or documents in the state's possession which are relevant to their application to detain you, as well as any and all exculpatory evidence must be turned over to your attorney between now and the hearing on the 5th.
So when I actually do hire an attorney or get an attorney, obviously I have very limited contact with anyone now. I don't have a phone. I can't really reach anybody. How do I get that process started with them?
So, Mr. Higgins, if you're interested in hiring counsel, you need to speak to somebody at the jail, and they can help you facilitate contacting people. If you have family or friends on the outside who are willing to assist you in doing that, you may be able to reach out to them in order to get that done, okay?
Understood.
Right. At this time, we're going to excuse you from court today. We'll see you back in court on Thursday.
So I'm here until Thursday?
Yes, sir. Once the state files a motion for your pretrial detention, the statutes and court rules require me to hold you over for a minimum 72 hours before your hearing. Because we have a weekend and we have a Monday holiday, 72 hours becomes Thursday. Any other questions?
Not this time, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Higgins. You are excused for today.